you say?
No, Lily's got a shirt. All right, guys, this is how you take a bird off when they go after your lure. If you have a shirt or a towel, bring them in. Yes. Walk over here, though, Lily. Lily, walk this way.
What? No, I'll do it now.
Okay. There you go. This is how you do it. You cover them up. I got you.
I don't care about that shirt. Do what you need to do.
Hold on, I might be able to get it without this.
No, it's easier on them.
Well, I get it, but I might
I'll
be able
just
to get it off quick.
I'll cover his head. Or not his head, but
Well, his head's what needs covered.
bring him over. Just bring him over. Bring him over.
I got you, bud. I got you.
There you go. There you go. Beautiful, babe. Good job. Well, yeah. He likes that. He likes that jerk bait. Yeah. Good job, babe.
Yeah, I didn't want to get him up here because all the fish were here.
Yeah.
In the wind, it makes them draw more. So
Yep. Very good.
not like the guy narrating.
What are you sorry about? What are you sorry about? That's okay. That's good that you just got a beautiful learning lesson. That's all. You just calm them down, cover them up, and you just get, if you need to get help, you did good. You did good. It's hard. Yeah. There you go. He liked what was floating on the surface. That wasn't your fault.
I saw him go after it too, and I'm like, no.
There you go.